Disney's Flame Tree Barbecue Sauce, today on Cindy Certified Recipes. Thanks for joining me today on Cindy Certified Recipes. You know, every so often we come across something in our lives that's so good, you sit there and say, dang, I wish I could bottle that. Well, that's exactly what we're doing today, making a barbecue sauce so good, it's gonna be like summer in a bottle. But before we get to that, I would sure appreciate you supporting my channel by hitting like and subscribe, and then you can hit that notification bell and you'll get first dibs on all my upcoming videos. Now let's get to summer. The ingredients for today's recipe are going to include 2 cups of ketchup, 1/2 cup of rice wine vinegar, 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of molasses, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of mild chili powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 4 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. This Disney sauce is really great because you can measure out all your ingredients in advance, basically called mise en place, which is simplified or just simply saying, get all your stuff together. And then it makes it easy. You can just dump it in the pot. That's all we're gonna do, and that's gonna simmer for 35 minutes. So we're gonna start off putting our ketchup in there. And it didn't say this in the recipe, but I chose sugar-free ketchup, organic ketchup. You can use regular if you want. And here goes in that rice wine vinegar. Water. And our light brown sugar that was compacted into the measuring cup. Our Worcestershire sauce. And molasses. And now all of our spices. So we have the turmeric and the onion powder, paprika, chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and the ground cloves. I love recipes where it's just kind of a dump and go. And you're gonna give this a good stir. And it's already smelling just like the restaurant before I even put it on the stove. There we go. I'm gonna be stirring that often too while it's simmering. So now we're gonna take that over to the stove and let it simmer about 30 to 35 minutes until it thickens up. I have this simmering now on the stove, low and slow, and it simmers like a mud pot. You'll see these actually shoot sauce out. So I will be putting a lid on this, but it's gonna be sitting here doing that for 35 minutes, and I will be stirring it occasionally. And here goes the lid, and we will check it and stir it a few times. Our sauce is all finished, and it's in my summer bottle, and I'm gonna pour some out so you guys can see it, because it's kind of hard to see in the bottle. There we go. It can be drippy, but that's what barbecue sauce is all about, right? So there's the sauce, nice and thick and rich and totally delicious. And I took the liberty of grilling up a little bit of chicken, and I'm gonna baste some on there. Now I wanna let you know, if you haven't seen my video that I did previous to this one with the rub from the Flame Tree Barbecue at Disney. This is basically the same chicken I did last time, but this now has that rub and the sauce. And Disney has another flavor profile that I'm not able to do because I don't have a smoker. But they smoke their food, their ribs and their chicken. And so if you're wanting to do it exactly like them, then you need a smoker. And I will have one of these days, but right now I do not. But it's still super delicious just to grill it up and eat it unsmoked. Totally delicious, you guys. And just so you know, swallow. I am not sponsored by Disney in any way. But when I find things that I think are exceptional, and I want to put my Cindy Certified stamp on it, this is something I know you guys will really like, that's what I do. So this is one of those things that if you ever find yourself at the park, definitely go to Flame Tree Barbecue and check it out, because I think you'll love all their stuff. I used to live there, real super close, and we went there all the time. So check it out, and if you can't go there, you can make it yourself. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. And just as a side note, being I'm on a summer roll here, I'd like you to check out my playlist, because I have an exceptional lemonade video and also a very, very exceptional potato salad video. And my mom is going to be 93, and this was her grandmother's potato salad recipe. So check it out. I know you'll love it. Thanks for joining me today on Cindy Certified Recipes, and we'll see you next time. Good food for a good mood. And if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy Certified.